Hey girls, so we are back, and good job, Savannah. I really love how good of a job you've done this week. I think that you talked about adverbs and adjectives very good, and you pointed out probably all the ones that I would have pointed out. So I think that you did a really good job. The one thing that you did that I probably wouldn't have noticed on my own was how you pointed out easily being an adverb of manner. I probably would have read over that and just, recognize it being an adverb, but not the specific adverb of manner. And so I think that you did a really good job and you explained how easily describes the physical appearance. And I think that you really brought it in, especially for me who would have missed it so easily. You tied it in with the adverb of manner and you did a really good job. And I think that you did a good job throughout the whole annotation, actually. Um, but one thing that I would have probably pointed out that you didn't was they make us walk faster, and the emphasis would be over the word faster, because that would be an adverb because you're talking about the pace that they're making them walk faster, and as like actually telling that they're going faster, not just at a certain speed but faster. So it would be an adverb. But like I said, Savannah did a really good job at annotating this, and I love how you pointed out this interrogative sentence. Um, does this sneer as he spins his basketball? I think that's really good. I like all of it. I think you did a good job. So I'll see you all later.